Hey everyone, today we'll start cell scripting series and we'll understand what is cell scripting. Next, we'll see why we use shell scripts and after that we'll try to understand how shell script works. Next, we'll create a simple, we'll create our first shell script like hello world example. Next, we'll also create a simple backup script like we'll create a simple txt file and we'll try to backup it. So let's begin. First, we'll understand what is shell script. So imagine instead of typing commands one by one into terminal, and you can put them in a file and just run that file. And that file is called shell script. And in simple word, a shell script is a file containing a list of Linux commands that you want to execute automatically one after other. So it uses something called shell, which is a part of the system that understand and run your commands. Next, what is shell? So shell is like a translator between you and the computer. You type human readable commands. The shell translates them into something the computer understands. So the most common shell is bash. You can call it born again shell. So question come, why do we need shell script? So everyday task can be repeated. So instead of typing the same commands repeatedly, a shell script let you save time and avoid mistake, and it will automate the task, perform complex tasks easily. So let's understand how does shell script work. So the shell script read the line by line, like your script it will read line by line. Next, each command is executed one after the other. So if a command take time, example for downloading a file, the next command will wait. And you can combine both logic, conditions, loop, etc. So let's start with simple. We'll see the implementation, how we can create our first shell script. So let's go to the terminal and we'll create first simple like hello world type command script. So if I'm using, you can use Vim editor or Nano. So I'm using Vim editor, VI, and with the file called hello.sh. Inside that we'll write the commands. So so I will first we will do hyper insert and we'll write the command. So here we'll first give the hash not slash bin slash bash. So it's called cbang. We'll see in the next lecture what is called cbang as we proceed. Next we'll give the command like simple echo hello welcome to shell scripting. Then we have an echo the system has been running for, and here we'll provide one predefined uptime. So here you can see slash not equal to slash bin slash bash. So this tells the system to use the bash to run this script. Next, So we'll save it. Command W. Now the next task is to make the script executable. So if you do now ls hello dot sh, sorry, ls dash hello dot sh. Here you can see right now it's don't have the permission to execute. Now we'll provide the command how to execute. So here you can pass chmod. So I've already uploaded a video regarding the how to add permissions on chmod, what is chgroup. You can watch and click the hello.sh. So this will make the script executable. Now press enter. Now we'll give a command. Now you can see here X came. So that's the form of executable. Now next will how we run the script. So you can provide the command dash slash hello dot sh. Now we'll press enter. Here you can see it's up and running. Hello, welcome to the shell scripting. The here is spelling mistake. The system has been running for this the uptime. So in this way, we can write a simple script. Now we'll see another script. So we'll create a file and we'll create a simple txt file and try to backup it. So we'll see how we can achieve. So first I will clear this screen. Increase the size. So first we'll create a directory mkdir dash p slash home slash provide the path according to your PC backup. So I'm creating a backup folder. So now we press enter. So we have created the backup folder. Now the next task, uh, we have to see we have the txt file or not. So we'll create a txt file. So let me check the directory. Home semi. Here we'll create a simple txt file. Touch important.txt. press enter. Now we'll put some data inside that txt file. So if we do ls dash, if we do cat important dot txt, here we have nothing inside the file, so we'll put some data, like we give echo now, like hello from txt file, and we'll redirect to this important dot txt. So we'll do again cat. Here you can see we put some data here. Now the next start, we'll have to backup it. So for that, we'll create a simple a backup file and using Vim editor. Vim and with the file name like backup.sh. Press cipher insert and we'll give the command snort slash bin slash bash. We'll give something for understanding. Echo start backup. Now we'll use the cp command, cp, and we'll first provide the source slash home slash Samir slash with the file name important dot txt, and now we'll provide the destination where you want to backup it, home Samir, and the file which you have created, like not file folder backup slash. Now we provide some command, not command, like some information. Backup completed successfully. Backup completed successfully. So now we'll save it and we'll do again the same thing. We'll make it executable. So what command we should pass? Chmod plus x and give the script backup.sh. Press enter. Now next task we have to run it. So that's dot slash backup.sh. Press enter. So we have some syntax error. That's right. echo. Okay, here we have double quoted it. That's why it's showing error. Yes, I put insert and remove it. Now we'll save it again and run it. So here you can see it's start backup and backup completed successfully. So in this way you can do backup. So if you want to inspect stacks, then backup. Here you can see a list of dash L backup. So it's get backup here important.txt file which we have done backup. So in this way you can do backup. So that's all from this video. In the next session we'll start what is loop conditions in shell script. So thank you.